songs that told our stories, the music that made us fall in love. This 2026, relive the golden era of OPM with the maestro himself, Ray Valera. Every lyric, every note brings back the memories we'll never forget.
Join the maestro Ray Valera as he serenades Canada with his greatest hits, songs that shaped our hearts and our stories.
Hello po, si Ray Valera po ako, mga kababayan ko dyan sa Canada. Merry Christmas. Pero mention po ako dyan sa sa Fort McMurray, yan, sa March 1. Yan po yan sa Rivers Casino. Alam niyo yan? Ako hindi ko alam yun eh. Kaya, magkita-kita tayo ha. Kwentuhan tayo, kantahan tayo. Love you guys. Merry Christmas.
Kahit maputi ng buhok ko,